This video is connected to the paper entitled Impact of Multimodal Communication on Persuasiveness and Perceived Politeness of Virtual Agents in Small Groups. Multimodal communication is essential in human interactions, as it allows for a more comprehensive and nuanced exchange of information and emotions. Multimodal interaction, including speech, gestures, facial expressions, and body language, is not only important in human-human interactions, but is crucial also for human-agent interactions. It allows a more accurate conveying of thoughts and emotions, leading to more successful human-agent communication. Furthermore, understanding how human perception is influenced by behaviors of small freestanding conversational groups is a highly researched topic within HAI. Within domains such as education, customer service, or healthcare, virtual agents are being increasingly used for human-agent interaction. To design such interaction effectively, the agents may need to be persuasive while maintaining a favorable impression. This virtual reality study investigates the effect of multimodal communication in different politeness strategies on the persuasiveness and the perceived politeness of a virtual agent in a freestanding conversational group. The agent attempts to persuade the human user to join the group at an inconvenient position which requires a higher amount of effort to join. The study focuses on uncovering how arm gestures compare to gaze, voice only, and combination of all modalities in persuasiveness and perceived politeness, and therefore provide understanding into the importance of each modality and their impact. Question 1. How often can the agent persuade the participants to join the group to the furthest position when using referential gaze, arm gestures, and a combination of these modalities? Question 2. What is the impact of these modalities on the perceived politeness of the agent? Different politeness strategies were employed alongside voice, gaze, and arm gestures to create the conditions for this study. The following videos showcase some of the conditions as seen by the participants through a VR headset.
Come to my left.
This place is waiting for you.
Come here.
The participants could choose to take one of three different routes to join the group. 1. The convenient route to the closest position within the group, which took the least effort, respected social norms, but did not fulfill the agent's request to join to the furthest side. 2. The unsocial route, which fulfilled the agent's request, but violated social norms. 3. The inconvenient route, which requires the most effort, respected the social norms, and fulfilled the agent's request. 56 participants from the general public took part in the experiment, which featured a familiarization block and a main experiment block, consisting of 8 trials each. Example 1 showcases a participant choosing the convenient route to join to the closest position.
Come to my left.
The convenient route requires the least effort, but ignores the agent's request to move to the requested position. Example 2 showcases a participant choosing the unsocial route to join to the furthest position.
Come here.
The unsocial route involves walking through the O space of the group to join to the agent's requested position. Example 3 showcases a participant choosing the inconvenient route to join to the furthest position.
This place is waiting for you.
The inconvenient route involves the most effort, as the participant goes around the group's O space to join to the agent's requested position. The results of the study show that the arm gesture modality is more important than gaze when aiming for persuasion and clarity. However, using gaze was perceived to respect the participant's freedom of choice more than the combination of arm and gaze modalities. The results also suggest that using the index finger for pointing out the joining place is perceived as offensive. There was a trend in the data for social adherence to be the lowest when the arm-only modality was used. This study uncovers the crucial role that multimodal communication plays in regulating human-agent interactions in terms of persuasion and politeness. We highlight that arm gestures are more important in reaching persuasion and clarity, but that a combination of gaze, arm, and voice modalities seem to result in higher adherence to social norms while successfully persuading the participants.